Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Hello ladies, A1s, Day 1s, and if you're a new one, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss no more cute nail videos. Today I'm working on my left hand. That's the usual for extra long nails. I disinfected her, pushed the cuticles back, cleaned her up. So I'm basically ready for my nail application, my dry application, my tip application. So we're gonna get into that. So tips on dry application done. Now I'm moving on to wet application. That's going to include like my dehydrator, a bond, a primer. I'm going to go in with the no lift primer. I always go in with this one. I love it. I get it from Amazon, and like, look at the nail beds. It's like a double-sided tape, and it just leaves this perfect sticky residue layer that just adheres that acrylic or gel very nicely to the natural nail. So I'm ready, girl. I'm already feeling like a baddie with my tapered square nails on, and I always go in with a little thin swipe of clear before I go in with my nail bed color. And if you're wondering why we do this, it's because one, it protects the natural nail from staining if you use any color acrylic. Also, when you're taking the nails down, once you get to a clear layer, you pretty much know your natural nail is right under this layer right here. And also it makes all the products stick even better. So now we're going in with our base color. I'm going in with this beautiful nude. This is a handmade nude specifically for my complexion. Everybody's complexion is a different color. Your winter color is different from your summer color. So you always gonna have to be messing around with these nudes. Like if you take it serious and you really want the perfect nudes for each of your girls, yeah, you just gotta search and find and buy and search and buy and find. And once you find the good ones, or maybe you mix two of them together and it's just the perfect nude, then you're happy. And while I have your attention for a second, all my new subbies, girl, oh my God, I love you. Thank you so much, and I hope you're enjoying the videos that you checked out. And there's more to come, more nail card videos and all that. We will also have some giveaways soon because, girl, clock it, we about to be up another 100 subscribers, so definitely giveaways coming. So it was around here my battery started to die, so I didn't get much more of this application, but girl, I'm sure you had enough. She's very clean. We had a good clean application. Love the cuticle work. And then, you know, I always go in and I encapsulate my color acrylic, basically. That's where I get my shape, my body. I put my apex where I want her to be. Make sure they're a good thickness for the long nails. A lot of the advice I'm giving you in my nail videos are for longer nails. All right. You see the shape, girl. You see the shape of that cuticle work. I went in on them cuticles. I'm going to clean her up. She's looking really good. And I'm ready for design. So whenever I do artwork, especially using gel, or even carving gel, whatever the case may be, I'm definitely going to go in with that base coat. Beatles calls it foundation. So I'm going to put a layer of this on so that I can work on top of it. And I feel like it just really makes those gel products adhere very nicely to the acrylic. Like, it's not coming off. You can almost use it as glue to put any big heavy charms or cluster stones. Yeah, you definitely going to need that base gel before you go in with any other gel products. Even if it's a hard gel, a poly gel, you know, some rhinestone glue, it just works better with a layer of base gel. Now this design is so exciting, very retro, like what I've already done the thumb. As you can see, we're going in for a camouflage design. Now this is something the girls love to do. You can really have a lot of fun with this, with different colors, light pink, dark pink, and black, light pink, dark pink, and white, dark pink, hot pink, white, and black. Girl, and you know, like the Bape logo, that has camo in it, so you can have a lot of fun. I am doing 2 coats of the green on these colors, and now I'm gonna go in with a brown. So I put down my little blobs, and then I take a dotting tool, and you don't want sharp edges, you want kind of rounded edges. shooting and darting out here and there. Make them kind of look like continents. So honestly, I feel like you only need one coat of that, and spread your blob out, thin it out. You don't want just thick puddles of gel. One, it's going to give too much texture. It's going to be bumpy. And two, it's not going to dry properly in the lamp. Now I'm going in with the black, and I'm doing kind of the same thing. You can work over the other blotches, if that makes sense. You can kind of scribble on top of those as well. And you see the pattern that I'm making here. You do want to fill in some of those empty spaces. Again, I feel like making them look like continents, like that helps with the shapes of the patterns. Definitely look up a reference photo. Okay, I looked up a reference photo and then I ran with it. By the second finger, like, I already had this down pat. It's very easy to do. Don't be deceived. It just looks like 3D confusion, but it is not. All right, I had to dig deep for this, and you got to be an A1 day one to recognize the method, the iMethod Beauty foil transfer glue. What? This stuff was invincible. Nothing could withstand it. Anything is sticking to it. Like, I've never had my foil paper not transfer using this glue. So I found these little butterfly foil papers. They're individual, clear backing, so cute. You can apply them and layer them onto any and everything. I personally love layering, especially my foil. So say this was Camo foil paper, and that's great. But to, step it up a notch, to give it a little something more, you could put, I don't know, you could put, butterfly stickers on butterfly transfer paper. You could put Mickey Mouse stickers. You could put Chanel stickers. Like, you could really, by layering, make it so unique, so bougie, like, very, very cute. So I always recommend layering your foil paper and stickers. So here you see me. I cut out the shape that I want, which one that I want. So I'm going to lay it over that sticky foil transfer glue, and I'm just going to rub. I like to use a tool. You can use a silicone tool. You can use the back of your tweezers. Just don't press too hard. Just apply a little bit, just enough pressure, and really it comes right off. It's very, very easy. I prefer the gel transfer foil as opposed to the air drying one. So I don't know about you, I love a gloss. But when you have details like this, the camo, the details in the butterfly wings, honestly, I just feel like matte is the way to go. Now, if you know, matte gets dirty quick. Everything sticks to it. If you cook with a colored seasoning, if you dye your hair, like everything, your jeans, every color, your black stretchies, girl, they're not for the weak, okay? They're not for the weak, but super cute, really makes certain designs pop. Now, for my middle finger, I decided to go in with a full camo. This is something that I personally don't do often enough. I always feel like it looks so fake, the color or design coming straight out of that nail bed area, but it can be cute. I just avoid it. I tend to love a nail bed, whether it's an ombre or French. I love to have that natural nail bed color, whether it's pink or nude, but I decided to just try something a little different out of my comfort zone. I thought it would break up the set as well as adding cohesion to it. So even though the nails, it may be a little different, a French here, a full one there, it breaks it up while also being cohesive. Now, again, I've never seen sharp edges on a camo print, so just remember to keep all the edges round and Some arms can, shoot out from here and there. Honestly, it's giving very fetus with the umbilical cord, arms, legs, and biblical cord. Like that's the image. You thinking Australia, Africa, Hawaiian islands. Like it's giving very continent, very islands. That's the image. One wrong move with your dotting tool and you're gonna have cow print. We don't want that. Okay. Now repeat that with your secondary and your thirdary colors. Filling in spaces. You can work on top of an old splotch. That's why I say go in with the lighter colors first. That way when you add that black in those little areas and you overlap the black over two colors or two or three colors, it just fits. It just looks good, and black, will cover any transition lines, or if you can see two colors under there, it just will cover it and it'll be the black splotch. So that's why I say go in with your lighter colors first and save the black for last. Well, I hope you're still here, and I hope you're having a lot of fun with this design. I hope you're picking up some hacks. I hope it's something that you think you could try at home with the colors that you want. I feel like this was an easy walkthrough. I'm finishing up the pinky. I'm going to do the same, a French camo butterfly design. Now, the old me, girl, the old me. I definitely think that this design would be super cute with all Frenchies. You don't necessarily need a accent nail or a bling nail. I mean, she is camo. The point is to kind of blend in. You know what I mean? So I personally really wanted to just do all camo Frenchies, like print. But my homegirl was like, girl, you should add a Tech 9 and, you should add a bling nail, like, da, 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 da. And I was like, you know what, girl? I was like, you know what? I think I have a Tech 9. I have a Tech 9 charm. So I just decided to give myself a bling nail. I hope you here for it. It's just had a little fun, something to look at with the set. But other than that, girl, do what you please. Do what you please. I hope you had fun with this set. I had a lot of fun. I think she's very beautiful. We often talk about sets that read well from up close or far away. This set does not read well from far away. No one's going to know what it is. They just kind of see like greenish, darkish Frenchies. And I'm okay with that. She is very cute, fun to look at up close, fun to do, and I encourage you to try to do the camo in other colors as well as the layering. Like, that's so much fun and gives such a unique look. So I'm wrapping it up. I don't know what I'm doing, girl. My homegirl, I told you, she was just like, add this, add that, and some people like that. Some people like, they like something. You gotta have some diamonds. Give me something. Some people just can't live without it. I can live without it, but I thought I would have some fun with this section. Since she's giving camo, we need to show how hard but how soft we are. I had a cute little Tech 9 charm. I had some butterfly charms, and I just have fun with it, girl. Entirely up to you. I just do these videos that way you have some inspiration. You're like, oh, girl, I never even thought of that. Oh, I'm gonna try that. Oh, that's cute. That's what this is here for. This is what this channel is here for. Not for you to be like, oh, I would never do that. Oh, these nails are too long. Girl, you can't do this whole design in a shorter nail? Yes, you can. You can also do it in builder gel, poly gel, hard gel, carbon gel. So this is just for inspiration, and I hope that you have been inspired. Anyway, girl, I'm gonna put up my little photo shoot. I love you, I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you never gotta say shit. And I know you taste it a little bit.